Hume AI says the future of voice AI is emotional. But does that actually make it better than 11 Labs? I tested both from a creator's perspective, looking at voice quality, emotion, voice design, cloning, ease of use, and pricing. And honestly, Hume AI has some impressive technology, but there are a few areas where I would still choose 11 Labs. Hume AI focuses heavily on emotion-aware voice interaction. Its EVI system can analyze vocal characteristics and respond conversationally, while Octave focuses on expressive text-to-speech and voice design. So Hume isn't trying to be just another basic voice generator. It's targeting more natural, emotionally aware AI conversations. Let's start with the most important thing. How does it sound? With Hume's Octave, you can describe the type of voice you want using natural language and generate expressive speech. For example, a confident American male narrator in his 30s, warm, energetic, natural pauses, professional YouTube style. The result can sound very natural and expressive. But here's where 11 Labs gets the advantage for me. 11 Labs has a much more creative focused ecosystem around voice generation, cloning, dubbing, and production. Its current platform includes text-to-speech, voice design, instant and professional voice cloning, dubbing studio, and other audio tools. Imagine you're making a YouTube documentary. With 11 Labs, you can generate a consistent narrator voice, control the delivery, clone your own voice with the appropriate permissions, and use the same platform for additional audio workflows. Hume becomes more interesting when the AI actually needs to have a conversation. For example, imagine a customer support agent that detects frustration in someone's voice and changes its response accordingly. That's where Hume's emotional intelligence becomes a real advantage. So this isn't really about one tool destroying the other. They're optimized for different jobs. 11 Labs currently has a free plan with 10,000 credits, while paid plans start at $6 per month for starter and $22 per month for creator on monthly billing. Hume also offers a free tier, but its value becomes more compelling when you're specifically building conversational or emotion-aware voice experiences. For a YouTube creator who mainly needs voiceovers, narration, or voice cloning, I'd personally lean toward 11 Labs. So, should you choose Hume AI or 11 Labs? If you're building emotion-aware AI agents, Hume is extremely interesting. But if you're a YouTuber, voiceover artist, content creator, or filmmaker, I'd choose 11 Labs because its production-focused voice ecosystem is simply more useful for my workflow.